Today's adventure takes us to the beautiful coast of South Wales with its dramatic, rugged cliffs, incredible sea caves and amazing wildlife. You really can't go wrong with this place. We hope you enjoy this video. Look at the view out of the back. Oh.
I can't get the jumping board out. It's stuck. Oh.
Look at this. Now that is wonderful. Thinking we might move the van up a little bit, but it's not exactly straight there. It's like kind of on the...
Sandwiches going on. We've got some ham, and then Jamie's got a Spanish selection to go on his. Bit of mozzarella, some hummus with pesto. I'm trying to warm up the butter in the sun because it's really hard.
Look at that. Thank you very much. I got a laugh on it. Can't believe this view. Look at it. Straight out the window. And you come this way. And you get that. Got the boonie on because it's getting very, very warm actually. My back of my neck's burning, so we've decided to go on a little bit of an adventure though. Apparently there's a beach just down here somewhere that you can only access. Oh. That you can only access during low tide, and it's low tide right now, so we're going to try to get there. Look at that. That is just amazing. This for a place and a half, man. Oh my life. I can't believe it. It's literally golden sands. Beautiful lush greenery. Tide's already coming in, so we're going to go to another spot and try catch a fish there. This is St. Govan's Chapel. It is a fully operational church. They still do masses and stuff here. Oh, this is pretty cool, no?
You can't even see the door from back there.
I'm gonna leave my rod up against here so I don't... Yeah, apparently I read online they still do... What's it look like out here? They still do... Ooh. Jay, I've been here before, Curly.
See?
That's weird. Jamie and Charlie. You've seen there's like a little cave up here, so we're going to try and make our way around. I don't know how easy it's going to be. Look at this. So obviously when the tide is up, all of this in here will be getting smashed. That's why it's all soaking wet and there's water on the floor everywhere. Yeah, little fishy. Should I try and grab him?
No, even though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I left the drone at the car for this point because I thought, oh, you know, I've already took a bit of drone footage, but now I'm here. I so wish I brought it. It's just unreal. Look at this. See if we can catch a fish. See that guy climbing?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, look at that blue water. It's so clear. Gentlemen, I have found a ledge. Look at that. Oh. I'm sure I will be able to. This looks pretty simple.
Yeah. There's some jellyfish. I don't know if you can see. Over here. Oh no, they're everywhere. There he is, making his way over to his new spot. It's a gigantic moth thing. Whoa.
I know you probably can't hear me right now because the wind is so loud, but I just saw a seal for the first time. He's literally right here. He just popped his head up, but I couldn't get the camera out on time. I'm in absolute shock. That was beautiful. Oh, you might be able to see him on the camera. Chat. Seal. Seal.
There's a seal! Oh, I think I just completely missed it.
That's a little baby pollock. Oh. Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
Little baby pollock in this beautiful location. I'm gonna put him back.
There's a little bumblebee in the flower. Let's do that again. We've just seen a seal laying on the beach. Can you see it?
Oh, I thought it was the shiny thing.
No, it's there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I want it to move.
There you go.
Hello.
Well, caught two. Didn't get one on camera. They were both pollock. But I can't get over that view. Look at it. Just unreal. Seagull pedicta, by the way. Look at the size of that bad boy. We didn't catch a fish that was too sizable, but it's alright. We got some burgers, and we love burgers. We got some little cheese and stuff to put on it. I can't wait.
There's a rainbow right above us. I've never seen one like that before. That's crazy. Car park.
Norway car park? You mean...
It was a car park.
It was a lay-by.
No, the car park at the nature reserve. And when you got into the lake? You don't remember? The buns had like carrot in them or something.
I remember that, but I can't put an image. You got that? Oh. That didn't work.
Blew them over.
Sun shining just on that ferry. Crazy. Well, it's not ferry, I don't know what it is, but you all like my makeshift griddle. Look at that. Bosh. Just waiting for the peppermint tea. Oh, I thought one fell out there.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? No, it's been in the fridge.
Oof. In the fridge.
It's the fridge. It's the new. It is a fridge. Well, it's an ice box technically, but. Ooh. Right, chocolate. Say it when I can't say it.
Dark chocolate with praline.
Ah.
On peppermint tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See you guys in the morning. Good night. It turned really windy in the night, so we had to get out at like midnight and ooh, put all the chairs and half do the awning up because we couldn't get it all the way up. But it was really windy. It's still quite windy now, to be fair. Oh, it's breakfast time and we've got... What have we got?
Oh. I thought you were gonna say.
I know, I forgot. Eggs, peppers, onions, like burrito things. Yeah.
It's an omelette.
Yeah, but it's like an omelette in a burrito.
Yeah.
It's like the mixture of both together. Yeah. I'm making some coffee. That looks like it's actually nearly done, to be fair. So. Hold on. Let's do the quad fold.
And it keeps it all in at the bottom.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.